I'm Claire Jefford, certified interior decorator and business coach. I'm here to help you with your business. Today I want to talk about the biggest service offerings that we have in my business. It is 3D designs and the 3D design packages that we offer to clients. It is not something that I initially was sharing or doing when I started my business, but over time I came to realize just how valuable these 3D designs are and how much they can help me sell more product in my business and more services. Let's dive in here, and this is reason number one as to why you should be looking at 3D design, and they're a big deal. When speaking with clients, what is the one thing that they say quite often you hear? I bet you it sounds something like,
we just can't visualize how the space is going to look. We have some ideas, or we maybe want to take down a wall, but we're really not sure if it's the right thing to do. We'd love to see what it would look like before we enter in those renovations.
And I say this to clients, is
see your space before you renovate.
It totally eliminates the biggest question mark that they have, and that's what is the space going to look like? What are the possibilities? So as a designer, that's another thing that you're bringing to your clients. You're able to show them through these 3D designs. That is why it's such a big deal, because number one, you are eliminating one of their biggest pain points and struggles. In addition to the 3D drawings, if you make sure that you have your whole presentation process down, then that is also going to be making you look like a rock star in front of your clients. I can absolutely help you with that, so make sure you stay tuned to the end and check out my website where I can help you with my presentation process package. Here you'll see an example of a client space before this was their bedroom. This was a 3D design that we did. And now you can see the after when they went through. This was our package number 3. This is our custom package that we do for clients. And they just love it because they're investing in their furnishings, they're investing in their space, and they want to know that everything that we've chosen is going to look fabulous. Mood boards are great too. We include that in the package, but being able to show it through a 3D design and communicate it so your clients can visualize it, so powerful. Reason number 2 for using 3D design for your business is that you're going to be offering unbeatable cost savings to your clients. The trades, the GCs, they love that clients have this tool and that they already know what the space is going to look like before they commit to the renovation. These plans allow for insightful and in-detail conversations about the project before you commence it, and that is giving the opportunity for less change orders down the line. It minimizes that whole like, oh, we're walking into the house and we didn't realize it was going to look like that when the wall came down. Yeah, you did, because I showed you. Reason number 3 is because you have an opportunity now to really share your vision. It's one thing for me to walk into a space and say, wow, this would look beautiful if you had some draperies here, or oh, we took down that wall and then we brought in an island and you had 3 seats at the island, and then we were able to do this, nice custom, buffet or pantry, and clients be like, oh, wow, you see all that? Right? They want to see it too. So it's not been uncommon for me. I had a specific client who also happened to be a very good friend of mine where I was adamant that they really needed to switch out their dining room for their kitchen. And they were adamant that that really wasn't something that they wanted to do. But guess what? By the time I showed them the plans, they were able to see that this was for sure the right thing to do. It was going to make the space more functional. It was going to make it more open. It was going to give them the look that they wanted, and they went ahead and they did it. So here you can see the house that I'm talking about. Here's the dining room before. I said, hey, this dining room really should be your kitchen because it's got a great window at the front of the house. It's a much larger space. And as I showed them the 3D design, they fell in love, and there's the after photo. I'm in love too and wish it was my kitchen. Reason number 4 is the wow factor. I mean, I'm showing clients, in order to manage their expectations, because I'm a real stickler for that, I show them packages of previous clients' homes, and I'll show them, ideas that I did for a before, a rendering, and an after. And this is great. It helps give them an idea of, oh, okay, this is exciting. But when I open up my laptop, or my assistant and I are there, and we are taking them on a virtual walkthrough of their new space, let me tell you, it is like no other feeling. I mean, they are like, wow, wow, that's what the kitchen's gonna look like? Oh my God, we're gonna have all that space. Oh wow, look at the drapery you put in. It is just such a huge wow factor. It's so exciting for your clients to be able to see this. They've been living in this house for maybe 2, 5, 10 years or longer. And now to be able to see the possibilities before they make that investment, they are loving it. They are loving you, and it's a beautiful thing. Reason number 5 as to why the 3D designs are huge for your business is because you can offer different services. For me, I have one package where if I have a client who needs a roadmap and they want a one-room design, but they're not ready to commit to custom furniture, they want to know what sizes they can use for furniture, how large the area rug should be, how are they going to lay out the space. That's one option that I give them. Another option that I give them is if they want concept design and they want to see, like I said, taking down walls or a fully finished basement, and they want to add in a bedroom or they want to have a bar down there, then I'm doing the concept design. And here I'm not necessarily choosing the finishes as such, but I'm showing them the concept, the idea, how can the space look, what are the possibilities. And then in my package number 3 that I offer for clients, it really is the full custom from start to finish with a 1-room or 2-room with a decorating package. And that way I can show them the space, what it's going to look like. I can upload specific fabrics. I can show them artwork in the space that I've actually specified, specifically tailored for them. And it makes it much easier for me then to be able to sell what the ideas that I have, because the clients can see it. Not only can they touch and feel the fabrics in the presentation, but they can also see them on a mood board in my presentation package, and they can also see them in my 3D design, which I use Chief Architect, by the way. And just as a last note, I want to say that for one set of clients that we worked with, this is just showing you how powerful it is, because you can upsell. I had the built-ins in this client's living room here, and I didn't add the sconces on in the presentation. I was like, oh, I meant to add sconces on. And the husband looks to the wife and he says, I don't think I want sconces. And the wife said, And I said, well, let me just add them in. So I went on my program, I was there, I added them in. He looked at his wife, he says, I think I want sconces. And she went, me too. If you're ready to rock the 3D design presentation and you want my processes package, go and check out my website. The link's below, www.clairejefford.com. Go under For Designers on my shop page, and you're going to see that package there that I'm so excited about. I'm Claire Jefford, certified interior decorator and business coach, helping you make sure that you are running a successful, organized, and profitable business. Comment below, and I hope to see you soon. Bye. Huge, huge. I could start doing something that's like, rock the consults, rock the 3D. No. But I still want you to rock it. I really am professional, by the way. I just like to have fun too.